Hello, welcome to Spinach Barbecue. Let's try something new. Goat cheese with roasted pumpkin seeds on a spinach bed with balsamic sauce. Sounds good. Okay, so first off we're gonna start by prepping the goat cheese. This is 169 grams, which is a third of a pound, something like that. So I'm just gonna remove the plastic. Gonna leave the outer skin of this Chevre, put that in a oven-proof dish, and the oven is preheated to 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put these in there for 10 minutes. And while the cheese is in the oven, we're gonna put the pumpkin seed. This is 2 ounces or half a deciliter, or actually 2 ounces weight-wise, and I'm gonna just roast them in dry frying pan at a medium high to high heat. So we're just going to let them go. And once they've gotten a little bit of color, we're going to add some butter and balsamic vinegar. But I'll bring you back for that. There we go. So it started to brown a little bit. So I'm going to add the butter to this. And I'm going to lower the temperature to a medium temp. There we go, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So I'm just gonna reduce this a little bit. Okay, so the pumpkin seeds are done, and then I'm gonna add a base of spinach for the serving, so that goes on each plate. There we go. Spinach is good on a low carb diet. Okay, it's time to take a look at this. It's been 10 or maybe 11 minutes. The cheese is, it's moving, jiggling a little, which means that it's actually ready. So we're just going to try to transfer that up onto the spinach. So bear with me. There we go. Then we're going to put a little bit of the sauce on top of here. Just time for a taste test. There we go. So this cheese is melted really perfectly. I'm going to try this. Goat cheese has a really nice flavor, and combined with the buttery pumpkin seed sauce, the balsamic vinegar is in the background there. This is really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.